Hazrat Ali described about forgiving others as Al-Afwu Zakatu Zafar. Forgiveness is the levy of success. Al-Afwu Tajul Makarim. Forgiveness is the crown of greatness. Akilu Zabil Muru'at. Forgive the shortcomings of people of virtue and honor. Al-Mubadarato ilal afwi min akhlaqil kiram. Being quick to forgive is the moral of high-ranking people. The reward of forgiving someone can't be weighed. Hazrat Ali wrote a document for Governor Egypt, Malik Ashtanakhi, as, "O Malik, acting with forgiveness and mercy for people's mistakes, intentionally or unintentionally. Man tanazzahu an haramatillahi sara'a ilayhi afwullah." Whoever stays away from what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forbidden, Allah's forgiveness comes quickly to him. Al-afwu yafsudu min al-la'imi biqadri islahihi min al-kareem. Forgiveness reforms the noble as much as it corrupts the bastard. Sharun nasi man la yafu min az-zillati wa la yasturul aib. The worst person is the one who neither forgives a mistake nor hides a fault. According to Surah Nur, verse number 22, وَلْيَعْفُوا وَلْيَصْفَحُوا, and let them pardon and overlook. It is narrated, Utlub liyakhika uzra, find forgiveness for your brother. Anistatata an tasbahu wa tamsu li sawikillaha bikush li ahadin fa'afu. Before sleep, purify yourself morning and evening from the hatred of all humans.